Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my new video. Today I'm going to be doing yet another unboxing for you. So this is going to be my October ice cream box. I do spend $25 a month on this box, but before I show you what I got in my box and what I really think of them, if you have not yet, please consider subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate it because it shows me that you love me and my content, and I hope you guys love me. All right, so the first item I got in my box is by the Beauty Crop, and this is the Cocoa Glow Illuminating Drops for $19, and it says add a small amount in your foundation. I did not do that, so how I used it is I shook it up, I added it on as my primer. That's the big thing. Make sure you shake it up because all this is an oil with glitter in it. So I'm going to go ahead and show it to you. It comes with a little dropper. So here it is. And I really liked it. So me using it as a primer, I was impressed. So I went ahead and grabbed one of my really drying foundations that I really can't use. I have to find a really hydrating product in order to use it. And this is one of them. I mean, it went on like a dream. If you have oily skin, I don't know if this is the product for you. If you have normal skin, I think you can get away with it. But the most favorite thing I liked about it is I did not see the glitter. So it just made my foundation easy to work with. So this is definitely staying in my routine. Now they have something twirling around on the bottle in very fine print. So I'm going to see if my bad eyesight can read it. So it says it's enriched with evening primrose, coconut oil, silicone-free, cruelty-free, vegan, and no parabens. So that's really good when you're slathering this on your face. I didn't slather it. I used 3 drops. So this is actually going to last quite a while. All right, so the next item is going to be an eyeshadow palette. This is what this box is known for. That's why I really like it, is that you get a palette in every box. And my last unboxing, the Tarte Takes Over BoxyCharm, I was complaining there was not enough color in it. And boy, this one made up for it. It is absolutely stunning. First, let me show you the front of it. The artwork on here is so nice. I'm really impressed with it. And it's called the Hera, and it's by Ditto Cosmetics. I've never tried anything by them before. And here it is. And look at these 16 shades that you get in here. They are actually gorgeous. I went ahead and played with a few of them, and I was really impressed by the formula. So the first one I did at the very inner corner was this champagne shade right over here. Then I used this over here for the inner corner of my eyelid to the middle of my eyelid. Then at the outer corner, I use this navy blue over here. I love this blue so much. I'm thinking about doing my next nail color that shade because it's just screaming at me. Look how gorgeous this is. So I was really impressed by this. And this palette has a retail value of $30. Thank you for giving me an eyeshadow palette with color in it. Okay, the next item is a face tool. So this is a foundation brush by Paris Tools. It comes with a little cover to protect it. And this, I know this is going to break on me. This is very thin sheet plastic on here. It's already, I'm pulling out 2 hairs over here, but none of it went on my face. Now, these brushes, I usually don't like them as my foundation brush because it doesn't put my foundation on evenly. I'm not happy with it. The other reason I don't like this, I don't know if it's just me, but these are a bitch to clean for me. This always takes me the longest to get clean, so that's why I'm not a fan of it. But I am a fan of this. My foundation looked absolutely amazing. If you look how wonderful this went on, I don't know if it was these two mixed together. I'm going to have to try it alone with my other foundation, my other primers, but so far this is amazing. I just have to make sure not to break this thing. And If I didn't say it, it is $30. Okay, the next one, the packaging is stinking cute. So this is, again, by the Beauty Crop. So this is the second item by this brand in this box. And I think it's called Ooey Sherry. And it's a set of 3 lipsticks. It's supposed to be nourishing. It says it's jojoba oil and cherry extract in it. So I'm going to show you the packaging because I think it's really cute. It looks kind of like a picnic theme by the pattern. That's what it at least screams to me. This is $24 for all 3 of them. And I'm going to go ahead and swatch these puppies for you. So we're going to start with New. That is going to be the first one. And the first shade is going to be the closest to my wedding ring, so you know which one's 1, 2, and 3. So let's go ahead and do Rouge. And I'm going to try to see, it has something, I'm guessing the hydrating factor in the middle with the heart in it. I'm guessing that's what the hydrating dollop in there is. Okay, the last one, and that's what I'm wearing today, is going to be Rose. So the first one is going to be a pinky color. The next one is a more cherry color. And then a pinky nude is the one I'm wearing today. So do I like these? I'm not a fan of the texture. For some reason, the texture is kind of waxy to me. And then the really off-putting thing for me is I hate 2 smells, Rose and Play-Doh, and this smells like Play-Doh underneath my nose. Now it did dissipate after a while. I'm thinking like 15 minutes, I didn't notice it, but between the texture and the smell, these are not for me. But I was glad to be able to try it, and you got 3 of them, so I don't know. I don't know if I can get over the Play-Doh. Okay, the last item that I got in my box is by Marabella Beauty, and it's the Blackmail Eye Crayon for $20. So here's the product. Go ahead, and so it looks like a chunky eyeliner crayon. But they went over and says you can use it to smudge out your eyes. And it's so thick, I wanted to try it as a primer. So I added it to the inner corner of my lid to almost the middle of it. This was a bitch to work with as an eye primer. If you're in a hurry, this is not the product for you. You're gonna have to be able to take time on your eyes. But when you put this, it's going to stay. So I went over and tried to smudge it out the best I could to make it look even for me. And then I placed the eyeshadow on top of it. And I really like how it worked out because this is way too chunky to be eyeliner for me. If you want to do it that way, that's probably going to be a lot easier and you can smudge it out. But I did not think I was going to like it, and I absolutely love it with how my eyes turned out. And what I did is I just put this shade that I told you right on top of it. And I'm really impressed. If you look how amazing that is, it's a bitch, but I love this bitch. So that is everything I got in my box. And if you add it all up together, I'm going to go ahead and show you the card. The card is, it says October, Season of the Witch. And I think it's cute, and it says all the prices. That's why I wait to the end. And my box value is $123. I don't think it varies from person. I think everybody gets the same thing mostly in their box, but I'm really happy with what I got in my box. Even items, when I first opened it up, I looked at it, I was like, I'm not gonna like this. I'm not gonna like this. The only one I knew I was gonna like was the eyeshadow palette because the colors were gorgeous. I was so glad to see it. And this I didn't think I was going to like. The primer, absolutely love it. The foundation brush, did not think I was going to like it because I've hated every one I've gotten. Love it. This over here, you already know I love it and what it actually is. The only thing I didn't like was the lipstick. So all in all, I'm really happy this month. But if you made it to the end of my video, you guys are fucking awesome. I love you to pieces. And let's go ahead and do fur baby time. Come here, Shuggy. You are actually being good today. Oh, you're gonna put the attitude in now? You know everybody says hi? Yes. So I know all of you love Sugar Bear. She sends you all the love and kisses your way, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye, guys.